Antimatter is the one of the recently found matter, and which is completely different than the matter, because if antimatter is a negative, then matter contains the positive charge. Antimatter is completely different than the matter because it contains the opposite charges and spin as compared to a matter. As you can see in a figure, positrons are the antimatter of electron, because the positrons contains a positive charge while electrons contain a negative charge. This symmetry of matter and antimatter in the visible universe is still a puzzle in physics. CERN scientists are doing a lot of research in the field of antimatter from a long time. Previously, antimatter was the stuff of science fiction. For instance, in a book and films like Angels and Demons and Star Trek. However, now antimatter is the stuff of reality. And these particles are completely identical to the matter, but they carry opposite charge and spin. When antimatter reacts with the matter, it produces a lot of energy, which is used for various activities. As you can see in a figure, how a CERN scientist makes antimatter in their lab. There are various sources for getting antimatter. For instance, cosmic rays and thunderstorms also produces some sort of antimatter. And our food like a banana produces the potassium-40, which eventually emits the antimatter like positron. As well as our body also produces the potassium-40, which emits positron. Interesting fact about the antimatter is that its words costed matter. For instance, 1 gram of the antimatter is equivalent to 31,25,000 crore rupees. The uses of the antimatter occurs in various techniques of the medical science like positron emission tomography, as well as in fuels and weapons. Antimatter is also used. Issue regarding antimatter is that one of its problem is preservation. It's very difficult to preserve because it reacts with the matter immediately. So they are encased in a strong magnetic field. However, the strong magnetic field also changes the spectroscopic characteristic of antimatter. Thank you. That's it.